Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about how to draw polygon in AutoCAD. So to draw polygon in AutoCAD, you will go into Draw panel under Home tab. So here is the option for polygon. You will just click on this drop down arrow and this is the option for polygon. Or you can use this command POL. I will go here. I will just enter a command of POL, that is shortcut for polygon. I will hit enter. Now you can see some of the options like polygon, enter number of side. As you can see here on screen, there are different kind of polygons as square, triangle, three side of polygon, okay, four sided, and each side is equal. And now here you can see five sided, six sided as called hexagon, five sided as called pentagon, and octagon for eight side. And here are two types of polygons as inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. What is the difference between these two? So inscribed polygon is that polygon if the circle is just touching the edge of the polygon, that is called as inscribed polygon, and if the circle is touching the side of the polygon, that is called as circumscribed polygon. Hope you understand these two. Now let's see how to draw a polygon. So first I will just enter a command of POL, then I will hit enter. Now at bottom you can see some options like polygon, enter a number of sides. So for example, I want to just draw a pentagon here, so I will just enter a 5, then I will hit enter. Then now you can see here at the bottom it is giving an option like polygon specify center of polygon or edge. So let's see what is edge option and what is the center. And if you want to just draw inscribed polygon or circumscribed polygon, you will use this option, okay, this center one. And if you want just simple polygon, you will use this option edge. So I will enter here E for edge and then I will press enter. Now it is asking about what? First point of the polygon. So first point could be anywhere here, okay. So I will just press here first point. Now you can see here five-sided polygon is appear in front of you. Now it is asking about specify second point of edge, okay, or you can use dimension here. For example, I want to just enter a 10 unit of length here, so I will just enter 10, then I will hit enter. Now the each side of the polygon is 10 unit, okay. You can check from here, you can use as a command del. Now I will just check from here. Now this is the 10 unit, okay. This is the method that you can draw pentagon, hexagon, octagon. You have to just enter a side, how many side do you need, and then you have to just give a size of the side, okay. Through this method you can just draw pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Now let's see how to draw inscribed polygon and circumscribed polygon. For that I will draw here a circle. I will just enter a command of C, then I will press enter, then I will give a center point. Now I will give the radius as for example 10 unit, okay. I will press enter now, and again I will just here draw a polygon POL, okay, then I will hit enter. Now it is asking about how many side do you need, so I need 6 side, for example hexagon, okay. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify center of polygon, so this is the center. As I will just move my cursor here on the circle, it will give me the center point, so I will hit enter here, okay. Now it is giving me two options, inscribed in circle or circumscribed in about circle, okay. So I need inscribed, so I will just click here. Now what it is giving me the option of specify the radius of a circle. So what is the radius of circle? Radius of circle is 10 unit, so I will enter 10 units and I will hit enter. Now this is what inscribed polygon. Now let's see how to draw circumscribed. So again I will just here draw a circle of 20 unit, for example, okay. Then I will hit enter. Then again I will go into the polygon POL, then I will hit enter. Again it is asking about side, so I will just enter 6 sides, then hit enter. Then again it is asking about center point. As I will move my cursor here, okay, or cross here on the side of the circle, it will give me the center point, so I will press here, and then it is giving me option of inscribed or a circumscribed. So I need right now circumscribed, so I will just click there. Now it is asking about what is the radius of circle. So here the radius is 20 units, so I will enter 20, then I will hit enter. Now this is what circumscribed polygon. So hope you understand that how we can draw simple polygon or inscribed or a circumscribed polygon. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.